I say Madam Theresa Kufour, no ye gentle giant John Ajekun Kufour, your excellency, former president, the first lady, Watananom, I want you. Mammy, so Google and Google for some which I say in the year 1937, and I won. But a month for them, so moving the Ghana card, and so moving in the year 1935. I knew HSN over 87 years. Now, can naka crabby, not just say, can we do 88 years older? Sammy and I'm at home as half friend or air Samano. Now, I send me a band saying, Madame Theresa, ye na said previously no, now your nest and sample answer all by the first lady or Ghana has it. Now, according to Assassin Radio, no, I'm going to with the details by what person which I say. And now I will send me a CA or your former president, John Ajekun Kufour Fiero. Now, His Excellency, not Dark Kufour Crano. Oh, now, like I said, in July 2023, no, now man for speculate say Obi John Ajekun Kufour Fiero, Efimu, Emma Mechanical say, Eja, or more than two, your former president, John Ajekun Kufour Casaso, and will be being a local say, oh, but that's what I said about forcing when the Utono and shall no more person of force here by force. Into the statement by 12 at the time. This was on the 18th of July 2023. And eventually, a report on the demise of former President John Ajekun Kufour are false. But this time around, Omochira, a hearing room and actually another one said, I will know a true. It's Yanko Assassin Radio for a report on Mudama, one of the details never. It's Yanko Street, the Yanko Kai report. It's according to Assassin Radio for almost saying, Mrs. Theresa Kufour, wife of the second president of the Fourth Republic of Ghana, former President John Ajekun Kufour, has died at the age of 88. A close source to the Kufour family has confirmed to Assassin News. She died today, Sunday, 1st October 2023, 24 days to her 89th birthday. Instead of Bidika, can you Google almost someone in the year 1937, but Omo Mugita the Ghana card as someone in the year 1935. So get the difference. What is it? Instead of having Mokase 24 days to her 89th birthday. Almost Theresa Kufour was born on 25th October 1935. She was a retired nurse and midwife. Her husband, the former president John Ajekun Kufour, was at home when his wife of over 55 years died. Mrs. Kufour had not been well in recent years. Of course, Kufour Nakasano, the former president, also enya war ye na ye hu seja oba oti wheelchair muneja obukia ne deba omocha ne yere so no na onye war. In fact, ohwe ne yere ne age ne kra na ekweni kakra ese Kufour ede no. Into omocha na ne ho emfa no. Into no in recent years now no oyare ne ho dodo ne kakra. Incidentally, President Nana Akufo-Addo had traveled to the mountains to pay a visit to the former president, and her passing is said to have happened shortly before the president arrived. In Tomo Channel and the Crampono and the mountains, so I feel every mountains. No, I decided Okakosra, the former president John Ajekun Kufour. Answer no bedu hono, and I can say, Madame Theresa, a channel no one said it another day, Okupe Winichi, or no, and then some woman first announcement and I quagga with the man no, a year. That is what say no, any Wabuko or former president John Ajekun Kufour if ye. Or say, Mrs. played a significant role during her time in office and leaves behind a legacy of grace and dedication to the people of Ghana. Mrs. Kufour started education at the Catholic convent Ola at Keta in the Volta region of Ghana. Mamoko last school there, Muina Diatomuni, and Diato, but most was a mobile enemy. Also, she later went to London, where she was educated as a registered general nurse in the Southern Hospital Group of Nursing, Edinburgh, Scotland. After further study at the Radcliffe Infirmary, Oxford and Paddington General Hospital, London, she qualified as a state-certified midwife with a certification in premature nursing. It's a way of the biography. I just watched the biography now. I want now to say a whippy, what is all born brapa. Some you are telling them, I want to say it's a Bible kind. Oh, Isaiah, the Kai chapter 57, verse number 1 to 2, or say, or teen in the era, what I said, no, finding a paco, now will be a function of Madame Theresa, or Tenasa Siway, miniatures will be a honma, obey to me, a dinner one dancing one is her. It is her media, what an one say, we move for in a yako, say, almost shedding. Na ye be ye no ntina ma she tuntum ti wekwe se wo se bi she tuntum a na dey say because of Madam Theresa they atono asame dey ma former president John Ajekun Kufour eni busuafo yina enso yakọ me wari at the age of 23. Hey wow. From your lawyer. 1961 na me share my wife.
War Republic Day anniversary dance for London. On and all, yeah, nurse, I really nurse in Scotland, was my long lawyer. And the dance nursing that down for the cancer. And you see, I'm make Oxford, honestly, I know of Oxford, I go midwifery training. From here and I'm for by 62. Yeah, for.
I see.
63 year we are first born. 64 year we second born.
And the 1 year below.
Third born the class 65. I
want to make pen because
I also free all political background. Many are penny late judgments. No more from Master Boy him be on no Jamie school being infant school. Master government school. Master very political.
Oh, but on the way where yes so politics.
Why when going be but quiet behind the scenes no as a shaman and I was 58 years.
Hey!
I was a fear, but
58 years.
I was 62. I'm September 50.